As we saw recently with the immensely popular Google AR objects and 3D animals, you might be looking for something to help cure your boredom during the lockdown. Well, Google is releasing a series of the most popular Google Doodle games of yesteryear to help cure that itch. So we've gone hands-on to see just what the fuss is. Thanks for watching 9 to 5 Google on YouTube. Remember to thumbs up, hit subscribe and enable notifications with the bell icon to be among the first to watch our upcoming videos. Before we start, it is worth noting that you can play all of this first wave of Google Doodle games on desktop, laptop, tablet and mobile, and they should work perfectly fine in any browser. To find any of the games, simply search for Google Doodle and then you'll have a carousel of titles to choose from, with a new one added each day over the next 2 weeks. We'll leave direct links down in the description if you want to have quick access. First up is Coding for Carrots, which was first released back in 2017 to celebrate the 50th anniversary of Logo, the first ever programming language designed for children. Coding for Carrots introduces you and your children to the world of Scratch programming, which the game is loosely based upon. Using basic code blocks, you'll direct rabbits to colourful isometric 3D carrots, learning coding concepts along the way. Also released in 2017, but to celebrate the 2017 ICC Champions Trophy, which is a tournament that features the world's best one-day international cricket teams at the Oval, Cricket sees you playing a sort of isometric 3D cricket slugfest, as you guessed it, a cricket against a team of snails with a mole as the umpire. Fischinger is another of 2017's doodles that was released to celebrate the 117th birthday of Oskar Fischinger, the influential filmmaker and visual artist. This game, based loosely upon the figure, sees you making music with neat visuals and numerous tweaks to master to create impressive visual and audio mini masterpieces without needing to learn an instrument. Rockmore was released back in 2016 to celebrate the 105th birthday of probably the most famous theremin performer of a day, Clara Rockmore. Rockmore teaches you just how to play the hands-free instrument that is seldom seen nowadays, but is still one of the most distinct sounding instruments you can use. A remnant of 2018's Garden Day celebrations in Germany, Garden Gnomes celebrates the iconic garden gnome ornaments by having you fling them in a trebuchet to see who can get the highest score, with bumps and power-ups helping you beat your previous best. So that was a super quick look at the first wave of 5 of the most popular Google Doodle games that have been re-released to help you stay boredom free during lockdown, but of course we'll see a further 5 added over the course of next week. Let us know your favourite down in the comment section below and share your highest scores on each of the games too. But until next time, this is Damien with 9 to 5 Google saying thanks for watching and I will speak to you later.